Hello everyone and welcome back over here. If you're new, I am Plummy. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Now I am going to make some roast chicken in the oven. All right, y'all. And so stay right there and let's get this done, okay? So I'm going to use fresh squeezed orange. Now, if you do not have the orange, you can definitely use some orange juice. Listen, y'all, for some reason, orange juice or orange on your chicken, it just makes it nice and juicy and more tender, okay? Now this is how my chicken be looking after about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. So y'all, I am going to now baste my chicken because you know you still want to be nice and juicy. Do not throw away that juice that was left off. All you need to do is add some cut up seasoning into it, and then I'll go in and baste my chicken. All right, y'all, nice and juicy roast chicken. All right, so yeah. And now to the good part, the part to eat, okay? So now this is the end of my roast chicken, and I hope you guys try this at home from my kitchen straight on your table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this recipe with your family. All right, thank y'all.